Hello and welcome to Kosmik. Today I'm going to show you the basics of Kosmik so you can get started right away. So the first thing you might want to learn is how to move around the canvas. If you're on a laptop with a trackpad, you can just pinch to zoom or use two fingers to scroll and pan around. If you'd like, or if you're using a mouse, you can also press space and the cursor changes to a hand and you can click and drag to pan and scroll around the canvas. You can also hold the Control or Command key on a Mac to zoom in and out using the wheel on your mouse. And you can use also the minus and plus button to zoom in and out on the keyboard. Finally, you have those buttons here in the lower right corner that you can use to zoom in, zoom out. You can also drag the slider, which gives you an indication as to how zoomed in you are on the canvas. And if you're lost, you can always use the Option F or Zoom to Fit shortcut to always be centered on your content. Okay, so those were the basics on how to kind of pan around, move around the canvas. I'm going to show you how to create one of those mood boards. So in Kosmik, you can create text, store images, even videos, browse the web, bookmark items, capture them, and I'm going to show you how to do all of that. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to open the sidebar where all the universes are stored, and we're going to create a new universe. When you create a new universe, you can either prompt Kosmik to create something with our AI engine, import files from your hard drive, or open the web browser to capture things from the web page. I'm going to import file today. So to do that, I'm going to click here or press I on my keyboard, which will open the file picker, select a few images and import them. To organize images in Kosmik, I can just drag them around and you see they have a ghost. And if I release my click, they're going to snap. Here we're using one of our options, which is the snap grid. We can deactivate that by clicking on the magnet here. And now the images are moving freely. So now we have images on our mood board. Maybe we want to title it. To do that, we can click on the second menu in the bottom bar, create a text object, put it here. Let's remove the background, select heading, and type, for example, Studio Ghibli, because all of those items are from the Studio Ghibli. Besides that, move it, and we have a nice arrangement. Now, maybe we want to add stuff to our mood board. So in other videos, we'll show you how to use our AI search engine, but today I just wanted to show you a glimpse of our web browser. To open the browser, click on the first item in the bottom bar or press W, and we're going to load the last page you've opened. Here I had prepared Pinterest. To capture items in Kosmik web browser, click on the top left button in the web toolbar or use Ctrl-Shift-2 on Windows or Command-Shift-2 on a Mac and click, click, click. Here I saved 3 images and I'm going to show you one of the cool things with Kosmik. So in Kosmik, when you download the image, we always save the source when you capture them from the web browser, which means that when I click on that source button, I'm going to reopen the browser on the correct page. If I click on the tag button, Kosmik is going to show me all the tags that were applied by the AI, which is nice. And if I click on one of those tags, we're going to launch a search to see if you have other items that correspond to that tag in your Kosmik account. And here I have many items. If I click on one of them, I'm going to be teleported and centered focus on that item in the correct universe. So here you go. Those are some of the basic features of Kosmik. How to create text, how to import files, how to browse the web, how to capture things, and how to pan and move around. Thank you so much. You can get in touch with us if you have any trouble by email or join our Reddit or Discord community. We'd love to help you and to hear your feedback. See you very soon. Bye.